Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm, and today we will learn how to calculate the capacity of bin blender. Bin blender is used in pharmaceutical industries for the final mixing or blending purpose, and you have observed that various batch sizes are available which we mix in the bin blender. Mean the batch sizes of all the products are not same, and it is a common question that can we add the same quantity of two different products in the same bin blender? The answer is no. Mean we cannot add the same quantity of two different products in the same bin blender, and a wrong practice is that we mention the capacity of bin blender in kilograms. Why the capacity is not mentioned in kilograms? The link of video is given in description. For brief overview, the capacity is always mentioned in liters. Mean you will mention the capacity of your bin blender in liters. To understand, take the example that we have a bin blender of 800 kilogram. So we want to add aerosol and lactose in it. So the statement means we should add 800 kilogram of aerosol and 800 kilogram of lactose in the 800 kilograms of bin blender. But when we will try to add the aerosol, maybe the bin blender will be filled approximately with the 50 or 60 kilograms of the aerosol, and maybe we can add 800 or 900 kilograms of the lactose in the bin blender. So the basic concept is that the bin blender or all the blender capacity is always taken into liters, and how much quantity of a product can be added in a blender depend upon the bulk density of the specific product. So suppose that we have a bin blender and we must be familiar about its capacity in liter. The capacity is mentioned or provided by the vendor, but if you do not know about the capacity of bin blender in liters, how you will determine? You can add the water in the bin blender till its brim and take the quantity of all the water which was filled in the bin blender. Suppose our bin blender has the capacity of 1400 liter. Don't be confused, you can use the flow meter to fill the bin blender and take the value of the liter. So our bin blender has the capacity of 1400 liters, and we want to mix a product in our bin blender. So what will be the bulk density of our product? How we will calculate the bulk density of powders or granules? If you do not know, the link of video is given in description. Must watch the complete video. Suppose that the bulk density of our product is 0.6 gram per ml. So what formula is used to calculate the batch size which we can mix in the bin blender? The formula used is capacity in liters multiplied by the bulk density of the product. So the capacity in liters is 1400 and bulk density is 0.6 gram per ml. The answer will be the 840 kilogram. Mean the 840 kilogram is the maximum quantity which we can add in the bin blender of 1400 liters till its brim. But you are familiar that we have to leave some space blank for the proper mixing of powders or granules. So working capacity of bin blender is usually taken as 70 to 75%. So we will take the 70% of the 840 kilogram, and answer will be the 588 kilogram. So we can add 588 kilograms of our product having the bulk density of 0.6 gram per ml in a bin blender of 1400 liter. Give the answer in comment box. If our bin blender has the capacity of 1000 liter and our product has the bulk density of 0.7 gram per ml, how much quantity of the product will be added in the bin blender? So if you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel and visit my website farmandfarm.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.